Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Another storming, breaking day. Absolutely fantastic. Look at these numbers. What a time to be in the markets. So, as you can see, we have now done it. We've achieved one of our next goals. We are up on the live. We are up on the day, we're up on the week, we're up on the month, we're up on the 3 month, and of course we're always up on the 1 year, but the year to date is finally up for the very first time. That's because I took the losses and we are now up. That's absolutely fantastic. So we've now got all-time records again, and we're at 103,640. Absolutely incredible. Now, overall, we're still down. That doesn't matter. It's all part of the learning curve. So, Fight Channel, I'm with you. I'm down 9,000 from my high. Yep, I understand that. I'm right with you, Fight Channel. I'm also down much more than that overall since the beginning, but that doesn't matter. Things are going in the right direction now. We just have to have patience, stay in, give it time, and it's all coming straight. It's all coming good. And the more we've got, the more that 10%, 13% can compound, and it gets bigger and bigger, right, as we go. Right, let's go. We might have some news in a moment. Joe Biden is about to speak. Is he about to make an announcement? Donald Trump says he's going to come out of the race. I don't see it, but we shall have a listen in shortly. Trump distanced himself from second-term agenda pushed by allies. We're watching this here. This is what we're watching at the moment to see if there's going to be an announcement of Joe Biden stepping down.
So there is some sort of, not necessarily a brokered convention, but there is some sort of switch that happens ahead of that.
I think there's, and somebody should double check me on this, I've read about it. I think there's a little more pressure than that because Ohio has a law now that says it's got to be some period before the election. So I think that there's a time in, I think late this month, July, that they've got to have that virtual convention where they get the nomination.
Yeah, we'll come back to that if there's any news. I don't see. I mean, I know a few people are reporting that Joe Biden's about to step down. There's no evidence to support that. Some people just like selling news, of course. I don't see that. No evidence to support that. But if it happens, we'll let you know. And of course, if that happened, presumably Kamala Harris would be in charge for a while. Anyway, we'll see how it all pans out, right? Let's read all the comments. LOL Mike, I'm down 9,000 from my high. Don't worry about that, Fight Channel. I'm sure you'll be all right. Stephen, what is your sell target for MTDR? Good evening, everyone. Craig, hey, Stephen. Are you sure Biden will actually speak or mumble? That's a good point. That's a very good point, Team Fusion. Joe will mumble. MTDR, sell 78 or 68 between 10 and 20 profit on 3036. Nice, said Stephen. Probably forget where he is again. 30,000 to 60,000. Congratulations, Stephen Lewandowski. The Green Gang. The Green Gang is all here, and the studio is very green today, as you can see. All-time highs breaking again. Absolutely awesome. So let's go through our positions and let's see what's what this afternoon. Virgin Galactic dropped all the way down like 3, nearly 4%. It's back up today, a swing of 8%. If you took that trade this morning, bought it down, who would have known that it was going to go straight back up again? But that's great. Very, very nice if you had that opportunity today. What about Palantir? Palantir is up today, $27 now. Gold up. We've got that big surge in gold. We've been talking about it for a while. That there's a big run of gold still to happen. It's happening all the time. The S&P's had a massive rally, as you can see, up 0.5%, which means I'm up 0.6%. Of course, UK markets, they're up because they like stability. It's not so much whether we prefer a Labour or Conservative government, but what we do like, what all markets like, is stability. Let's have a little look. This is interesting. Here, there is the FTSE, the FTSE, Financial Times Stock Exchange. It was up all day.